So today's lecture was about to create a post inspired by Pinterest. For example, I want to create a post on a resort. Okay, so vacation resort. Sorry, resort post. I will also write post because I want a post. So okay, so there would be different posts. I'm gonna create for Instagram account. So I'm gonna just create a simple post that will attract me. For example, mm, I like this one. So I'm just copying it. I'm opening my Canva right now, and then I'm gonna click on create. Then I can go for social media or whatever I want. I'm gonna create an Instagram post and I'm gonna open it, and I'm gonna paste the post that I have copied. Okay, you can because I have copied it and I haven't saved it or took screenshot it of it. So I just simply copy this post. Sorry, I have just simply copied this post, copy image, and then I have pasted on my uh, this one. Okay, either way you can do is you can simply save image or save it, or you can take a screenshot of this certain image and then you can go to uploads, upload file, and then you can choose the downloaded image. Okay, so it is not showing right now. For example, I wanna upload this one, so I can just simply upload it and then tap over it, and then I will see it over here. So this is my inspiration post. I want to create a similar post for me. I will click on add page just like this so I can get another page as well. So my inspiration will be right here and my new post would be right here, which I will take an inspiration for. So what are we gonna do is we have to first write the text. Before writing in anything, we're gonna write the text. So for example, this is signature October sale. I'm gonna click on text and click over here. And if I want to duplicate, I do not want to add another text, there is an option of duplicate. I can simply drag it over here, and it is December, so I can like click on December sale, and this is like this. I can just simply, and as you can see, signature and October sale spellings are different. So I can just click on uppercase over here. This is right after bold, italic, underline, and this, and you can simply select the text and click on double A. If you can't see this option, you have to click on three dots available and then you can see this option. Okay, or you can simply turn on the cap lock and rewrite this sentence all by yourself. Okay, so this is signature October sale and this is up to 40% off, so I'm gonna write just like this, up to, in small letters, because I have all online the sorry, click the uppercase, that's why it was just like this. So I'm gonna turn off the cap lock and just write up to like this, and this is 40% off. So I'm just gonna click here and see. For example, I'm gonna give 10% off instead of 40% off, so I'm writing 10% and go on graphics, and I can get a lot of graphics that are similar to one and even without like watermark. Okay, so I can choose from them as well, or I can write it by my own. This choice is totally according to my options. So I'm gonna just bold it, select it, and make it bold. Okay, okay, so okay, so if it is not in center, I can just drag it and this automagnetic thing will tell me that if my stuff is in center or not. So this is exact center. Now I'm not able to select up to. What I will do is I will go on the option of position, and then I will choose layers, and then I can choose from here up to. Now I can move up to anywhere I want. Okay, what I did, if I'm unable to select up to, I can simply go on position, that is right after animate option, position, and then there is option of arrange, and there is option of layers. I will go to layers, and then just simply select the one that I wanna make changes for. Okay, then there is like image of a resort, so I'm gonna search in elements, resort. Okay, just simple, and I'm gonna go for photos, and there would be different photos. I can choose the one that will be able to show what I'm really gonna show. Okay, so this is not a good image because it's not showing the text. I just want something with a little backgrounds just like this. Okay, so it's not gonna work for me, and I'm gonna choose another image that has a slighter less background option. So I'm gonna just replace these backgrounds for whatever I want to do. uh, I can choose this one. No, it's not working. No, it's not working still. So there are hundreds of templates from which you can choose. Okay, you have to just click on this one and you can go ahead. It would work fine. So I'm just gonna place it over here. So as you can see, there is a box right here. So I'm now gonna add the box right there. It is just like a chat box or a message box, or you can write rectangle, so you will get different boxes. I'm gonna go to graphics now. Okay, so I can choose the one that is almost equal to that one because I won't be able to get exact box. Okay, if I wanna get the exact box, then I have to make the similar box. I can make the box using different tools, but right now because we are on the basic level, so I'm just gonna choose the pre-made box. Just make sure that it aligns with your design, it doesn't look odd. Okay, so for making sure the design is looking good and it's not looking odd, I would recommend you to go with simple ones first. Okay, then you can go for the complicated design. Keep your design as simple as you can, minimal elements in them and minimal things in them, so you can just edit them whenever you want and make changes in them. Okay, the more the complicated a design would be, the more issue would be with you. You won't be able to get it and go ahead with it. Okay, so I'm gonna change its colors, and then there is 40% off into this one, but it's not showing exactly. So I'm gonna choose something darker. Okay, even I can choose these gradient colors, but if and only if they will be like good. So if you can't choose the up to option, go to position, go to overlapping option, and then choose up to, and then you can color it. But this one is not looking good. No, I'm gonna remove it. I'm gonna turn this one into something like something bold. Okay, I'm gonna select this one and change it. I'm gonna select this one, make it bold, and then change its color. So maybe it would be like better option. So you can like put it over here. and then you can go ahead with anything you want. Okay, so this was a very basic design. Even if you do not like this one, you can just simply search on Google. For example, I'm gonna search mm, right here, resort images, and I can go on images, and there are hundred of images that I can use. So I can choose the image that is minimal, that will align with my design, that will be according to the way I want. Okay, so first of all, whenever I'm going to look for the images, mm, this one, okay, this is quite minimal, not that minimal, but it would work. Now I have to make sure that it isn't blurred out. Okay, so for that purpose I have to make sure that it is clear, and then I have to save this image, and then I can simply open my Canva, go on uploads, this one. Okay, replace background. Okay, so if still it isn't giving that much, I can just simply make its transparency bit lower. Okay, I'm making its transparency lower, and I will make the text darker in darker fonts. Okay, what I have did is I have just clicked the image and clicked on transparency that is just behind the this option, and look at this. This will make its transparency lower and my text will be more visible. Okay, so check this out, and this 10% should be like in a darker color. So this is just an example post. It is not that good, that attractive, but you can just simply make an image like this. Okay, okay. So I'm gonna just add this one over here. So I just wanna edit lines like this. Okay, so I'm gonna click on search for line, and there are lines in the graphics. Okay, but there are also lines in the shapes. The one in the shapes are good enough, so you can choose a line like this, and you wanna, if you wanna make it shorter, you can simply go like this, and you can move it to the straight one. Unfortunately, I'm not good at making straight lines. I don't know what's wrong with me. Okay, this is 0%. So I can also choose the option that I want for line start. So I have choose null. It would be like this. And I can choose its color like this. Okay, and then I can duplicate the same line, so I do not have to like copy it. And then look, it is showing 24 24. It means that it is from equal difference distance from both of them. Okay, I can just zoom it and see if it needs more alteration or not. Okay, so I can also write some features right down here like this, like fun and entertainment. I can make it shorter. Okay, and then I can write right here, that would be like this. Okay, and I will write for example, there are bonfires, so these are like this. Okay, this is giving me the exact distance. See, it is just showing me that what are the distances or stuff like that. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna get. And if I want to move it slightly down slower, then I won't like go with one letter and then another letter and then the third one. I can just simply select them all and group them and just make them in center, just like this one. And then I will put a logo over here. For example, this is my logo, so I will put it over here. And then if I want to download it, I will click over here, click on download, click on current page. Okay, there are two pages, one and two, so I just want to click one page, so I can choose. What I did is share, download, click on pages and then select current page and then download it, so it will download only one page.